How to back up WhatsApp messages to a new phone. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. It will take you to this page where you can view the chat list. Then, go over to Settings on the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on the option Chats. Then select this option Chat Backup from the menu, and you can see that the chat backup is in progress. Once all the data are backed up to iCloud, it can be restored to any device afterwards. Now go back and scroll down. Then go over to this option, Transfer Chats to iPhone. Tap on it. Now, hit the Start button. Make sure you register with the same phone number and use the camera of this phone to scan. Scan the QR code on your new device. Once the scan is successful, all your data will be restored into the new device. So, by following these steps, you can back up WhatsApp messages to a new phone.